Finally, I will be demonstrating how to use Google Forms. So we're going to go to forms.google.com and it will bring up Google Forms. Like all the other Google applications, there are different types of templates, whether you just want someone's contact information, if you want to find a time, to RSVP, a party invite, sign up, registration for an event, or you can create a new one. So we'll just create a blank one and we'll just title this form Kenise 205 once again. Obviously here's question number 1. You can change it to make it to where it's a short answer, paragraph, checkbox, drop down. You can change the date and time of it. You can upload a file to it. You can add another option. You can add another question by clicking this button. You can also customize your theme and choose a different color if you want it to be teal instead. Background color can be white, gray. Font style, you can change the font. You can also, if you click on the settings, you can change generalized settings to collect email addresses. Once you collect email addresses, you can also response receipts. You get a response receipt every time someone responds. Require sign-in, limit to 1 response. So if you're doing a poll, for example, and you only want them to respond once, you can check this off. There's also to where you can make it a quiz. Once you make it a quiz, it will grade the quiz automatically. So let's just save it like we had it. Once people start responding, you can also see their responses by clicking on responses, and you can create a spreadsheet based off of the people's responses. You can make it to where it's required, like this one question is now required. This one, however, is not required. You are not required to answer question A. You can add a video, attach an image, add title and description, import questions, and then once you hit send, it's official and it will be uploaded. Also, the title needs to be up here. And that's how you use Google Forms.